Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to hide your balance on Paxful application. To hide your balance on Paxful, first of all, open the Paxful application and log into your account. You will then be able to see this interface where your affiliate balance will be displayed at the top. In order to hide your balance so that you can prevent it from being visible to others when viewing your profile, once you end up in the home page of your Paxful account, go to the top of the screen and tap on the little eye icon which has been crossed with a line. After you tap on it, you will be able to hide all of your balance on your display. This will prevent your balance from being visible on the interface and your balance will be hidden, just like that. That is how you easily make your balance visible or less visible on your Paxful account with just a simple tap. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.